Yeah, hello and welcome to another update video about Bitcoin. Bitcoin tried to break out here out of this support box earlier today. We saw some upside, a bit of a reaction to our 50% Fibonacci retracement level. If you like a little bit more context, check out my previous video here because not much happened today. I just want to focus here on the imminent short term. Bit of a quiet day. I think tomorrow we've got that vote about the debt ceiling in the US. I think that can shake up markets a little bit. Bear in mind that a lot is already priced in. Markets are always forward looking. So we're still looking at this move to the upside here as a possible 5-wave move. Normally, you would expect the wave 4 not to break below the 50% Fibonacci retracement level, which means that should price break below that level, it indicates that this move to the upside is already over and unfolded only in 3 waves. This for me is the pivot here, 27,526. For this particular scenario that we get a 5-wave move to the upside, I don't want price to break below 27,526. Okay, a wick below is not so much of a problem, but it's honestly in 90% of cases, if in a wave 4 price breaks below the 50% retracement, it fails. Therefore, this needs to hold. We rallied only, not really in an impulse today. So that 5th wave needs to unfold. It should really unfold in 5 waves. This wave 5 here, ideally. So we haven't seen that yet. And because we have failed so far to break above the 3rd wave high, it could be that this 4th wave is still unfolding. Maybe it's going to become a triangle. That's all speculation. We can really only focus on what we see. And I'm seeing at the moment that the 50% retracement level is still holding. Yes, we had quite a bit of a rejection up here, but that's not enough to say that we have topped yet. However, a sustained break below 27,526 would indicate that we have topped here and that this might take Bitcoin to new lows below the 24th, 25th of May low, which means below 25,960. At the moment, I'm watching for either a C wave to the upside, which would be part of that larger B wave, which would lead to new lows. That's the short-term bearish scenario, and that would gain significantly in probability below 27,526, even though then the C wave didn't unfold in 5 waves. But it already reacted to our resistance area, to the golden ratio here at 28,400 basically. So if it comes down now, this was not an ABC, it was just a WXY. There's no way of knowing that at the moment. I think the market may hold off and wait for tomorrow. Whatever the vote is going to be, I think it could be. Sometimes the market needs a catalyst like that. But you can't trade this, right? You can only trade the levels. I mean, that's hopefully clear. Or if this is not a C wave, it could be a 3rd wave, and that is the short-term bullish count. To keep this count in the game and valid and likely, it needs to hold the 25,726 level. Very simple. As soon as we get one more wave up, without one more wave up, this more bullish scenario can be taken out anyway, most likely. So I want to see that 5th wave, that higher high here. If not, then the move down below 25,960 is favored. Bear in mind that we are in a correction. Things can happen here very quickly. A lot of people don't understand this. I hope it can sink into everybody. It is really important that you understand how markets work. We are currently not in a trending market, not in this region here. This is not a trending market. This is sideways range. This is typically characterized by boring price action and so on. You either have uptrends, which are exciting, you have downtrends where people get scared, and then you have sideways movement where people get bored, and this is it. And in a sideways range, a lot of people get frustrated, but that belongs, that's part of the market. What you need to understand, only get a trending market, like I think 20% of the time, it's 80% range movement, and that's what we see. And in a range, and that's unfortunately what many people don't understand, you have a lot of up and down because the market hasn't fully made up its mind yet, and you need to wait for signals for a breakout. And the first signal would be this 5-wave move to the upside here in the circle 5-wave structure. But we haven't even completed the third wave yet. So we need to watch these levels that I just indicated. I think all eyes need to be on the 27,526 level. One more high is currently favored, as long as we're holding that level. Below that level, however, not anymore. And even if we get that one more high, that is going to be the next decision point, because then we need to be watching, okay, we have 3 waves up then, 3 full waves up. And then we need to be watching, okay, can we get a 4th wave, which is a higher low, which will have to adhere to certain parameters, which I will then be able to give you. And can we get a 5th wave? If we get 5 waves up, it is a breakout signal. And then after 5 waves up, we have an indication, okay, we have probably bottomed here and the trend seems to be shifting to the upside. Then we can wait for the ABC pullback, a higher low. But we take it level by level. We're in a correction. We have to take it level by level. And I will always give you the relevant support areas, pivot points, and so on. Yeah, hopefully you liked the update. If you did, please hit the like button, leave a comment, and subscribe. And if you really like the content, then please check out the channel membership. Thanks a lot for watching. Bye-bye.